Alright guys, good morning. Today we are going to be cold starting the M4 GTS. This is with the valves open. I went ahead and had Daniel disconnect the valves because I really was curious to see how the car would sound with the full startup, like loud, without the valves interrupting. So we're going to get a first cold start of this, and I have a feeling it's going to be really loud. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and let's get the car started. Unfortunately, I'm not going to run it like that because that means I don't have my valves when I want to be quiet. So probably just have it like this for a couple days and then swap it back to putting on the connecting the valves again. Alright guys, currently here at the Malibu Country Mart. So now they have these guys patrolling. Like, nobody can enter the lot unless you're not like a car person. Which is so funny. So basically we're all just chilling out here waiting, and they open the things at 10, these little sign things, so we can go in there and park. Regular cars can park, but car people cannot until 10 o'clock. But look what I'm parked next to. Look at this freaking Tesla. Holy shit, it's got everything is carbon fiber. Look at this, like, trims on the window. Everything is carbon, the door handles, side skirts, even the wheels. I don't know if you guys can see, but the wheels are carbon fiber too. That's pretty cool. Never seen a Tesla done up like this. This is insane. Formula E. That's funny. Alright guys, we finally made it inside Country Mart. And this part opens at 11. So if you want to park in there, you gotta wait till 11. But so far we got some sick ass cars entering. A lot of people are waiting like all over the parking entrances to park. But beautiful cars. I'll show you guys all the cars in here. Got the new Aventador Ultimate. This is the last of the Aventador. They don't make these anymore. So this is the last one. Got a beautiful AMG GTR Black Series. I drove one of these, not this color, but I drove it in white, and it was insane. Like, probably one of the craziest cars. We have the McLaren Senna, of course. Freaking awesome. Super nice. With all the little orange hints all over on the calipers, inside the duct, the lip, seatbelts. Shit is so sick. Beautiful Audi R8. This one's twin turbo. Come to the back, look at the rear, the center exhaust. Sick. Look at that tire in the back though. Beautiful Lamborghini Huracan Evo, all-wheel drive. Super nice. Got the new Maserati MC20. Okay, it's nice. Check this out, guys. That's sick. Look at that interior, look at the back. Look at the Tesla, guys. It's got Lambo doors on the Tesla. That's funny, dude. Let's check out the interior real quick, because I'm sure the interior is probably crazy. Everything is carbon. It's insane. Look at this. Oh my, look at that cluster. Look at the steering wheel. Look at everything carbon. That is crazy. Beautiful Huracan STO black with the orange interior. Guys, look at the seats. Full Alcantara. Calipers matching. Damn, it looks so good in this color. Beautiful E92 M3. The homie Clement with the Alpine White M4 GTS pulled up. Very nice. E46 M3 Dakar yellow. Ooh, that is clean. That's clean ass E92 M3, like a tan color. Ooh, there's a clean M2 right here. I like the color of the wheels, like a goldish type of color. Looks really good with the white. Sick ass lime rock gray M4 CS. super nice. That color's fire. Alrighty guys, today we are in the E92. I seriously miss driving this car so much. More videos coming soon with this car, so I hope you guys are excited. I'm super excited to be making content again with the E92. It just brings back so much memories. There's so much like stuff that went down like with this car, and like just like so many like events, and pretty much this is how like the YouTube channel started, was with this car. So I don't know if I could ever sell this car. I have like so much love for this car, and there's just so much history that it would be really, really hard to part ways with this car. So right now I'm on my way to downtown LA. There's a car meet, Beamer Valley. My friend Diego's hosting it, so I'm gonna be pulling up. Enrique's gonna be pulling up. He picked up a new car actually. If you guys know Enrique, he has the wide body M2. He kept the wide body M2, but he added the G80 M3. It's black with the orange interior, so he's gonna be bringing that out tonight. I want to check it out. I think Nick is coming through. Jason with the Atlantis F80, he's bringing his E92 out because I told him, like, you know what, I'm gonna be pulling up in the E92, so let's just bring out the E92s and yeah, get some content. So hope you guys are enjoying the video. What I love about this car, number one thing, is the sound. The sound of that V8 is insane. Oh my god, this car just screams. Sheesh. Oh my gosh, guys, I forgot how much fun this car is. It's not the fastest car out there, but I'm okay with that. As long as I know that it sounds good, it looks good, like, and the way it drives, it's like insane. If you guys haven't driven one, I highly recommend going out and driving one if you can, or know somebody. All right, guys. Well, I heard the meet got canceled because cops showed up to the rooftop. So now I'm with all the homies. We got Nick is over there. We got Mike, we got Jason, we got Enrique. What's up, man? Congrats, bro. Congrats.
Thank you, thank you.
Let me check it out. Damn, this thing is beautiful. G80 M3 with the laser headlights, competition. Look at that interior, though. Wow, that is beautiful. Super clean. That looks so nice. So honestly, guys, I have no idea what's about to go down. All I know is that we have all the homies with us. We're in like downtown, some random little street. I have no idea what is about to go down right now, but we'll figure something out right now. This interior is insane. Oh my gosh. My favorite color interior. It is so freaking nice. Has all the carbon. This is like the fully loaded G80 that you could get. It's so nice, bro. All right, guys. Well, that was a fail. So we're just gonna go get food, and that's pretty much it. I wish we would have gone to the rooftop at least just to see what was going on up there, but I heard they like called the cops. Cops were on their way, so I wasn't trying to be part of the, you know, whatever was gonna happen. So we're just gonna play it safe. We're all gonna go get food and call it a night. Woo! That's the boys. Whee! No stars on the roof though. You're gonna lower it, you're gonna do a bunch of stuff to it? Bro, it looks so freaking good. Honestly, it's so clean. All of our cars look sick. I love our cars. Oh. ceramic brakes. Super clean M4. One of one CS build. Insane. Wow.
There's only tires.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.